very good morning to everyone assembled here. I am Shivani Yadav. I welcome all the dignitaries, students and participants to the inauguration of our annual Cultural and Technical Fest, Moksha and Innovation 2021. Moksha is the annual cultural fest of NACT, a 3-day long fiesta which happens in the month of March. More than being a mere fest, it has been NACT's image in other colleges. And this year, it is going to be different and a unique experience for all of us. Innovation is the technical fest of NACT, a 3-day long fiesta which happens in the month of October. The success of its previous iterations, amassing a footfall in excess of 10,000 plus students over the span of 3 days, is the cause of the effect that Innovision has hailed as one of the best fests in the Delhi circuit. Every year, Moksha and Innovision witness a plethora of events ranging from dramatics and dance to hackathons and robo-wars. It is these events that bring life to the fest with the ever so enthusiastic hosts and participants. Any fest is incomplete without the students dancing off to the tunes of a famous celebrity or enjoying a soulful night. Moksha brags about past performances from singers like Shan, Monali Thakur, KK and Kailash Kher, and various other artists. This year, because of COVID, we are having Moksha and Innovision together in the month of February and will be hosting a total of 55 plus events, both online and offline, following the COVID guidelines. The organizing team have around 20 plus members, and the chief convener for Moksha and Innovision 2021 is Abhinav Bajaj, and I'd like to ask him to join us on stage and share his experience.
Good morning, everyone. I am Abhinav Bajaj, the Chief Convener of Moksha and Innovision 21. I would like to welcome you all to this year's Cultural and Technical Fest. I would like to thank JP Saini sir for giving us the opportunity to organize this event and discover our creative and management sides. I would also like to thank Vijender sir, Astha ma'am, and all the staff from the admin that have helped us in the past 2 weeks. The past year was quite unexpected for all of us and was difficult to adjust to these hard times of virtual interactions. But the support of our amazing faculty and the efforts of all the members of the team and the support of our dear mentors made it a lot easier. With lots of unfurled excitement and new learnings, we look forward to hosting Moksha and Innovision again. Moksha has always been an integral part of every NSUTian's life, and our seniors have worked really hard to get it to this point. We have tried to keep the legacy going and hope that everyone will enjoy the next 3 days. The team has worked really hard to put this event together, and I hope that you all will enjoy it from the comfort of your homes. Thank you.
Thanks, Abhinav. Moving on, we have our Dean Student Welfare, Professor Vijender Singh, here with us. I'd like to invite him on stage and say a few words.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor J.P. Saini sir, Director West Campus, Professor A.P. Mittal ji, Professor Sanjeev Thakur, Dean Interdisciplinary Studies. Very good morning to all of you, dear students. Okay. This Moksha is going to happen after 2 years, because last year just we were going to organize, but within some time, due to pandemic, we had postponed the events. Okay, and with this year, whole 1 year, this has shown us so many problems, and all of the problems are overcome by our government, by our institute, and it has shown a very different path to survive in the society. Okay, and this year also, just we have made this possible within 15 or 20 days, not more than that. पिछले 15-20 दिन से ही सारे बच्चे इमीडिएटली इस सारे इवेंट्स पर लग गए हैं और सभी ने अपने तरफ से पूरा फुल कोऑपरेशन, फुल एफर्ट इसको सक्सेसफुल बनाने के लिए किया हुआ है. ओके, सो सबसे पहले तो मैं आप सभी को बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं कि इस छोटे से टाइम में आप लोगों ने एक बहुत अच्छा इवेंट इसको सक्सेसफुल बनाने की कोशिश की है। सारे स्टूडेंट इस बधाई के पात्र हैं यहाँ पर, ठीक है। पूरी ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी, सिक्योरिटी टीम, मेन कोर कमेटी, फाइन एंड आर्ट्स का अभी सर ने देखा जो आपने लगाया हुआ है बाहर, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत बढ़िया काम करके आप लोगों ने दिखाया है कि स्टूडेंट्स आर हैविंग ऑल द ट्रेमेंडस कैपेबिलिटीज डूइंग एनीथिंग विद इन वेरी शॉर्ट टाइम। ओके, सो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर दिस वीडियो। ओके, and now just I will request you that in all the events, please first one maintain the discipline, that is must. Okay, maintain the social distance, that is must in all the events. ठीक है, जो भी यहाँ पर आप फिजिकली एक या दो इवेंट कुछ कर रहे हैं, that has to be maintained. Okay, and enjoy all these events. ठीक है. Point number 2, you just try to interact and try to involve all the students which are at west campus as well as east campus. ठीक है, ये आपकी जिम्मेदारी है और सारी चीज़ों को आप लोग उधर पूरा कम्युनिकेट करेंगे, कन्वे करेंगे, जस्ट वी आर डूइंग दिस एंड दे शुड पार्टिसिपेट इन ऑल योर एक्टिविटीज़. ओके, सो बी श्योर एंड maintain the discipline, maintain social distance, enjoy all this event. ठीक है, within 3 days. Okay, thank you so much. Please. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. Now I'd like to invite our Vice Chancellor, Jai Prakash Saini, sir, on the stage and say a few words.
Say good morning. Thank you. Professor A.P. Mittal, Director, West Campus. He is our senior most professor of the university, and you all aware with him. Earlier, he has worked with AICT as member secretary for around 4 years. Professor Sanjeev Thakur, Dean of Sciences, Professor Bijendra Singh, your DSW, and very dynamic DSW. Ms. Astha, you all aware. And this function is here, baby of Astha. He loved this function very much. And because we missed this function last year, so if you will agree, we can host one more function of Moksha in the next semester. Okay. So that will be in physical mode. Okay? Okay. This time, due to constraint and this COVID guidelines, we could not host this function in online mode. And because this social activities are banned here, that's why we are going to organize here in the online mode, virtual mode. Okay? But this is the new norms, how to survive in a society. So welcome you all here for inauguration of Moksha and Innovision here to NSUT. You all aware, NSUT is a seat of higher technical education in India. Over a period of time, the university has carved a distinct niche for itself, both nationally and internationally. The past performance of our outgoing batches has done us proud. It is a matter of great pride for us that we are going to inaugurate Moksha and Innovision Fest here virtually from our newly constructed APJ Abdul Kalam Lecture Theatre Complex. Okay. It is also the time to celebrate by adding 2 new university campuses in East and West Delhi. So you are having now 3 campuses. Okay. This one is the main campus. So like Delhi University is having number of campuses. So we are spreading And one more interesting thing I would like to share, we are trying to here start the medical faculty also in the university. So we are trying hard to start here the medical faculty. So that will be the great achievement for researchers to work here with the doctors, our students to work here with the medical, to do the live project, okay? So I think we will be the first here in the country here which will have the technical as well as the medical university, medical education in the university. We have number of examples here internationally, but in India there is not a tradition here to work together with the medical and technical sides. We have also started here one more program, fashion technology, here this year. So definitely this program will also, I think, will be the famous in very short span of time. This is the right time here to share about here this new infrastructure. You have 11 here these classrooms. This is one of the biggest classroom of 270 capacity. 10 remaining classrooms are of 126 capacity of each classroom. So around more than 1500 students here we can accommodate here at this place only. Okay, so this is here, and also we are working to renovate our all classrooms in similar manner. Okay, so very short span of time here we will modulate our all classes to similar audio visual as well as here the new infrastructure. You know? I think you are feeling comfortable here in these classrooms. Okay, but CCTVs are also there. If you will damage or if you will write something on the tables, so there will be the heavy penalty. Because it is for you, so you have to maintain it. Because here all latest cameras are installed here in this hall, in all halls in fact. So they are AI based cameras. So they will track you every time. And there is a control room, so someone will see you here, your activities also. So hope you will maintain here these classrooms, because earlier it was thought you have to sit on a just here wooden benches like that. But I think you should feel comfortable here in the class, because this is the place you have to sit 5 to 6 hours in a day. So it should be comfortable. It is all are fully air conditioned, having here cold and here hot weather temperature control here in this classroom. Here all these classrooms are having live video streaming facility, okay, and here as well as here the lecture recording facility also. Not this time, but in future we will allow to the students to sit in the canteen and attend the class also. This may be possible, but definitely it will happen if you will make the discipline. So first you have to develop the faith. If you are on a canteen, if you are at a home, you are sick or some other reasons, you are unable to attend the class, you can join the class through the live streaming. So this all facilities are available here in this our new lecture theatre complex. So that's why we are here inaugurating here this function here, Moksha first time. Otherwise, earlier we were inaugurating here all activities from the mini auditorium. Here, university has added a computer center with 400 all-in-one Dell computers here along with Godrej workstations. All the laboratories of your computer science and IT department has been furnished with new workstations. University has also created one state-of-art studio. So that studio is also here very wonderful. You can here learn there, you can here do the activities in the here your studio, your like different kind of activities you have like theater, drama or some other voice recording here, lecture recordings you can do there. Here, we have also started one Samsung Digital Academy and Innovation Lab. You can visit, I think you have visited there. This lab is also here started here this time. New language lab, which is also here in place. New CAD labs in the all departments we have added due to COVID times. I have seen your lot of comments that time during admission in online mode, why you are charging the fee kind of things. Okay? So, but you can think, we are changing ourselves to adjust here with the new living norms, new environments. Because the facilities, once we will create, we will able to handle all kind of situations. So, I hope I have justified your fee, which were targeted here at the time of admission here last time. University is also in processing to establish a center of excellence in artificial intelligence. So we have received a fund of around 6.45 crore. So we are establishing here this AI center with NVIDIA high processing machine, your servers. So you can work in the AI, you can take the projects in the AI field and you can execute. So definitely you will be able to publish here good kind of research publications. We have also added here different our student welfare and incentive schemes on the website. I think you have gone through it. If you will involve yourself in the research area, okay, so in that case you can earn the money also. You can make your fee free. If you publish a paper in the IEEE journals with the help of your supervisor, you may get around 2 lakhs here as a award from university. If you will able to publish the paper in Nature or Science, you will get 5 lakhs rupees per paper. If you are awarded by a patent, if you do some innovations and you are awarded by a patent, university can pay you up to 5 lakhs as an award. So we have launched number of incentive schemes which are linked with the performance of your as well as your university. Okay, this is your university. Okay, this is your will become your alma mater now, with sort of a span of time. One more thing, we are developing hydroponics training center also in the campus because we have a very luxe green campus. So we thought, why not we have to go in the hydroponics area here. So definitely we will add some your UG and PG level, some courses also here in the elective in the field of hydroponics. So if you want to become agro in the area of here agriculture and want to become the entrepreneurs here in the agriculture area, you can here work in the hydroponics area. You can establish the different sensors. You can work in the research also here to how to grow the vegetables, fruits and herbs organically. So definitely this will be very interesting area for the students. This pandemic time has provided us an opportunity for internal evaluation and assessment of both our individual selves as well as the practices and policies of our professional lives. Virtual inauguration of Moksha and Innovation Fest is an example of our new norms. You know, these two functions are the pride of our university. These fests are NSUT flag bearers, our beacon, the icing on the cake. It is this icing that represents our university at the global circuit. I am proud to say that our students have also carved itself through these festivals. Because your festival is having the name of Moksha. So such activities are necessary in order to cater the growth of students from all walk of life and play a vital role for overall personality development. University works in a 360-degree manner by developing personal qualities such as leadership, teamwork, determination, flexibility, and confidence. University also focuses on creating a holistic environment for overall development. There is no finishing line to learning. It is continuous, lifelong process. Apart from your knowledge, you will need to possess a strong character, honesty, integrity, ethical values, patience, and sense of gratitude through these activities, and hope that you will become polite, creative, responsive, and innovative. We always here come back to sat here, sail on these oceans because there is a unceasingly new knowledge to be gained, new milestones to be marked. These fests garner immense footfall and aid the conviction of bringing together the variety in the society. These fests go hands in glove with a community holistic development, bring diverse perspectives together, raises a society with increased tolerance, a word that humanity should and inspire to dwell in. For all science and technology has no conscience of its own, the steering seat sits right on the lap of the community, and we for one believe that culture is the concise and maintains the integrity of the society. Hence, it is important that they circle the lap together and accelerate the growth of the nation. Because you are the part of nation and you are the coming future of the nation. So definitely if you built up, because I know about this generation is honest, dedicated, and here having a character. So definitely our future of the nation is in good hands. I believe that. Because if you will see because best example is if you will see the movies of here 50s, 60s, 70s, 90s, you will see, because movies are basically representing the character of the society. So if you will see corruption that time, the involved in the here movies shown that time in 1960s around, that was at the highest level. But now it is going to reduced drastically, and hope you will here put up your strong character to the nation and help to build up the nation. Here, but why some say now? Why was it necessary to undertake such endeavor when the globe here, figuratively speaking, has almost stopped revolving? Well, because keeping your foot on the brake would not help. We must shift from natural to gear 1. We must learn to adopt, slowly start coming out of ourselves. Playing dot balls is not going to win you matches on a turning pitch, consistently rotating the strike. We choose to leap in this direction not because it is easy or because it is hard, but because it must done sooner or later. This is the challenge we are willing to accept, unwilling to postpone, the one fight we intend to win. You know, here, these were tough times. Nevertheless, what our students and staff here pulled off shows their miraculous commitment to a monumental cause, providing that this university is not just nurturing minds that role when it here comes to academics, but also students with management skills of a leader who assumes charges on a burning deck and gets known the correct charting here most unwanted cheese. These fests go hands in glove with a community's holistic development, bring diverse perspectives together, raises a society with increasing tolerance, a word that humanity should and aspire to dwell in. We wish for that in these 3 days, our students get involved with this opportunity and make the most of it. So with these words, once again, here, best wishes to all of you for great success of your this Moksha and Innovation event. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. We have our Dean Student Academics, Professor Sujata Singer, here with us. I'd like to invite ma'am on stage and say a few words.
Good morning, sir, and my colleagues. And it's nice to see students here in our new classroom. In fact, I have come here for the first time. I'm feeling very nice, and I'm sure all of you must be feeling very nice. All I've said is, want to say is that For one continuous year, पूरे एक साल से short test, long test, and all this test business, students are fed up, teachers are fed up. So 3 days, all of you should enjoy to your fullest. Come back rejuvenated for again the sequence of tests, etc. Teachers also need some time to relax and enjoy your activities. And definitely students do require some time to relax and enjoy. So best wishes for your online festival. I don't know how you will be able to, how much you will be able to enjoy it, but still I think it was a good break in between your academic activities. And the good thing is that we are gradually opening up, and very soon we'll all be meeting on the campus. Same old days, same old activities, and same old fun and studies. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, I would like to invite Professor Sanjeev Thakur here on stage and say a few words.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Saini, Dean Students Welfare, Professor Singh, Professor A.P. Mittal, Professor Sujata, Asta ma'am, everybody else, all my friends and dear students, it's indeed a pleasure to see all of you in this hall. And I wasn't expecting this to happen, but I really congratulate all the persons who are concerned in bringing this to happen, this Moksha to happen on campus and online, of course. I don't know how you will be able to organize this thing. But then, congratulations to all the persons who are involved in this, especially the Dean Students Welfare and Asta ma'am. Of course, under the leadership of our Vice Chancellor, I have seen him work till midnight for the progress of this institution. And his hard work is really inspirational. And that's what should inspire all of us. And, and I wish you all the best for the coming 3 days. And enjoy to the best. And maintain all the good things like discipline and decorum should be maintained. And best of luck for the Moksha. So, thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Moving on, we have Asta Singh ma'am, Registrar Student Welfare. Without her, we could not have organized this fest. And I'd like to invite Asta ma'am here on stage.
Good morning, everyone. Well, it has been a tough week since we had a minimum amount of time on us, and the kind of enthusiasm and the kind of support I have received from everyone, not only just students, but also our Honorable Vice Chancellor, our Dean Student Welfare, Professor Sujata Sengar, everyone. It has been tremendous, and we did not imagine something of this sort happening in the campus, but somehow we managed to do it. And as Sir has told us today that we shall have another Moksha in another semester, Sir, we promise you that it will be with the same, same enthusiasm and even at a bigger scale. And this is the team we have. We have others also who could not participate the last time. We have them, so we have a team which is twice better, and with so much going on at home. I know they're also full of, all sort of arrangements they have in their mind. This is what they want to do, and this is that we should happen, and all sort of things. So, yeah, maybe Moksha Reloaded or something like that. It will sound more cool. All right. So, moving on. It has been a tough time for all of us, considering we all are facing a pandemic where the situation requires unprecedented efforts by the Office of Dean Student Welfare and the student team for conducting Moksha in Innovision. Therefore, I would extend my deep gratitude to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Shri J.P. Saini ji, who has always motivated us to carry out all the activities with the same energy and vigor. He has been a guiding force and a true mentor for all of us in realizing our duties and responsibilities towards the university. I would also thank the Dean Student Welfare, Professor Vijendra Singh Ji, for his constant support and appreciation. He has guided our students towards achieving best results, keeping in mind the standards at NSUT. I would also thank Professor Sudhata Sengar Ji for helping us conduct this festival by accommodating this festival in the tight schedule of the academic schedule. I would also thank our staff at Dean Student Welfare and the NSUT studio for working hard and helping the students conduct this event with, if not equal, the similar enthusiasm as part of the past festivals. Lastly, I would also like to thank the extremely hardworking team of Moksha and Innovision 2021, who despite having a limited time and managing between their exams and the pandemic, have done a wonderful job in conducting this event. For everyone watching this live stream at home, I welcome all of you to this occasion as well. With this, let the 3-day extravaganza of fun and frolic begin. Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone.